comes true. Right. How are you gonna hang this there? Get flatted as well. I need to be careful with what I'm doing. So first step is to remove the climate control. But remember the positions that they're at to eventually put it back to the same position, or when you try to fit it back, you get this, it won't go all the way, so you just want to make sure that it's all the way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn them all the way to the other side. Yeah, so yeah, makes it a bit easier. Just a bit aside, just a little bit of help from me, because I've been doing it. I've done this like 100 times in the last 24 hours, so yeah, yank that, give that a bit of space to, right. Bam, bam, there we are. So now we can see the 2 exposed bolts, so that's gonna be option 2. Once I get that out, yep, I shouldn't need that again. So now it's just to screw these 2 bolts out. So we've got one under the fog light. Hope you all can see as well. Hope you all can see that on there. At least you see like how most of you get most of the good lighting on YouTube or when we're filming. So to get this big center console part off, it's about 3 screws, and you just pluck it out. It's a nice thing about this Italian car. Most Italian cars are awkward. I remember the Punto, the amount of times I cut my fingers just to change the wire, like to wire up a subwoofer in there. That was like my first car, my first ever project. That was like the fucking fourth day of me getting the car, bruv. Like, I didn't even master the clutch control yet, and I was fucking breaking my finger for the car. But do you know what it is? Once you get a car, you have to love it and appreciate it with all the passion. Like, doing this makes me appreciate the car so much. Like, just so much. Even down to like the interior details, the dashboard, little things. But I just can't wait to get that TomTom. Like, oh, I'm live with it. I'm flat. Yo, countries, I'm driving. France, damn, yam, bam. Yeah, so give it a little pull. Yeah, found a little pattern. Yeah, so now we can do this a bit more quicker. Should be done. This should be done in like 2 seconds. I'm not even gonna speed wrap the video. Time lapse it up. This is gonna be a straight bam. This is to go to sell on eBay. This is to be sold, so anyone that wants this or that can sell it to you. Good prices as well. Sort out anybody. So I don't like the gunk around it as well. Like this one, this one's a lot harder to clean than the newer one I'm gonna put in because the screen's so small. So there you go. find things at the edge. From here, juvenile and the money you call me, yo. This shouldn't take me no longer than 5 minutes now. Yeah. Load there. Newbie. Right, so I tied this because I wasn't using it. I tied this up last night. Let's take a picture of that codes, just in case. Smells nice, you know, that's what I love about it. So I've got 2 bolts to secure it. Watch that loading screen. What's the difference? Yo, YouTube. Let me just see if this is right. This is the right fit. Yeah. Look at that, look at that. Oi, gang. Right, are you ready for the vote? Let's see, cause that one I had fucked me over. Gang, yes! Gang, I'm gassed. Let's see if the Uconnect works. Yeah. Back YouTube, back. Let me quickly post it on, because you know, if you lot don't follow me already on Instagram, Grey Ghost. Wait. Grey Ghost 595. Let me show you my thing, look. Let me show you my thing. Follow up my thing, you know. Grey Ghost. Follow up my thing. Follow up my thing. Hey, my brody.
Shauna did the gunmetal career. But yeah, she'll be back on the road next week. Can't wait.
I'm excited. Hey, not long now. Not long. Come on, man. Fucking hell. I've literally just been up and down, back and forth, trying to get this screen done. So I've literally just got the stuff, done it.
Wayne, what are we looking at with this? We're looking at a problem solver. Every mechanic gets into time where they're doing 1 or 2 clicks at a time. You bust your knuckles, and it takes forever. Now.
Make sure that there's, alright, this is Pat. Speed camera wardens, what gang? I saved that. You need that in this car. This is a must-have. This is a must-have. This is a must-have. Final screw.
I knew I was gonna be a millionaire. I actually grounded and prepared to be a millionaire, so eventually I became a millionaire. knew I was gonna be a millionaire. Like I actually grinded and prepared to be a millionaire. So eventually I became a millionaire.